We get it. You clicked, you watched, and you thought, man, these videos are kinda trash. And honestly, fair. But here's the truth from our side of the screen. We've been out here in the digital wilderness building a whole frontier, juggling more projects than browser tabs can handle, and pushing AI tools until the credits tapped out. Between launching new sites, fixing hosting setbacks, testing workflows, and building foundations for what comes next, the videos had to take a back seat. Not because we don't care, but because we were building something bigger than a single upload. We tried to master Oxygen 6, we really did. But it wasn't giving us the zero hands-on build flow we needed. It wasn't bad, it just wasn't the path. We ran out of credits before we could even test it properly. Meanwhile, Visual Studio Code, GitHub Copilot Pro, and Codex stepped up and did the job without asking for more tokens or trial limits. That became our real toolkit. That became our compass. So here's the update and the pivot. No more Oxygen 6 content, we're done with it. Our focus right now is scaling sites built for organic traffic and Google AdSense revenue. The real content, the real lessons, and the real value will now live on lostinthewoodsdigital.com. That site is evolving into a gamified digital hub with career paths to choose from. Each path will help you break away from the 9-to-5 maze and build a new career in digital marketing using AI tools. It won't be instant or secret coded. It will take creativity, but the steps are clear, doable, and built for beginners leveling up into builders. One day, we might even drop the soundtracks on YouTube. And yeah, we know we reeled you in on the Oxygen 6 hype. That's on us. But we found a better way, a cleaner way, a path where AI helps you build, learn, and level up without drowning in complexity or gated credits. This is the frontier we're forging for you. Tested, rebuilt, and blueprint-driven. So if you want digital skills, real talk, groovy soundtracks, and a path out of the 9-to-5, stick around. The real adventure starts at lostinthewoodsdigital.com. We're not gone, we're building. And now, we're inviting you to the path we carved through the trees. Edgar.